Hello everyone. In this video I will be discussing the error topic. Errors may be of different kind, like it may be spelling mistakes or with regards to the parts of speech. Okay, so in this video I will be discussing about the errors in the use of noun. So I have jotted down some of the sentences for you. I will read it out for you, and I will also say the correct sentence for the wrong sentence. Okay, so the first one is the cattles are grazing in the field. Okay, cattles is used. So we all know that cattles is not the correct thing. Okay, cattle word all only refers to plural, right? So cattle is used in the sense of plural. You need not to add yes at the end. Okay, I hope you understand, because cattle cattle word itself denotes the plural sense. You need not to add yes separately. The next one is he is my cousin brother. You need not to say cousin brother or cousin sister, because you are also using the pronoun in the sentence starting, that is he, and it is not correct to say cousin brother or cousin sister. Cousin is enough. You need not to mention separately with the gender, that is brother or sister. Okay, I hope you understand this as well. The next one I wrote it for you is here are the news. Here are the news is not the correct thing, because news is often used in the sense of singular and uncountable noun. Okay, and that is singular and uh, uncountable noun only. So you need not to add r over there, because it is singular and used in uncountable noun sense. So you have to use here is the news. Here is the news is the correct sentence. Okay, if okay, the next one, if you want to say more than one news, then you can say I have uh, three bits of news. Okay, or I have three pieces of news. Okay, like that you can say, if you want to denote into plural sense. The next thing is there are fine furnitures in his home. There are is not used, and furniture yes is not required, because furniture is used in the uncountable noun. Okay, so you need not to add yes, and you need not to use er, because it is uncountable. So uncountable noun furniture, that is why there is fine furniture in his home would be the correct sentence. Okay, the next word is Sarita is one of the best girl in her class. Okay, Sarita is one of the best girl in her class. Here one of the whenever is used, so you have to add yes, because you are picking only one girl from group of girls. Okay, so girls should be used. Okay, so the right sentence would be Sarita is one of the best girls in her class. Okay, if you want to say my hairs are black. Okay, we generally hear somebody say my hairs are black. You should not say like that. My hair is black. Here hair is uncountable noun. Okay, so it is used in the uh, class. Okay, that is why you have to say my hair is black. Okay, my hair is black. HAIR, that's it, not HAIRS. If you want to say one or two hairs sense, then suppose in the curry you saw two hair, then you have to say two hairs. This is very important note to be made, because often in the competitive exam students get confused. So you have to use in this manner. I found two hairs in the curry. So you are speaking about two particular hair. Here in the given sentence, I am saying in the class. Okay, the class. That means I have black hair. I. Okay, you are understanding me. So my hairs are black should not be said. My hair is black. My hair is black, like that you have to say. The next one is poors. Okay, so the next sentence would be help the poor. Okay, like this is given, so yes should not be used, help the poor, because whenever the poor refers to whole people, okay, whole group of poor, okay, not you are understanding me, because a poor means garib, okay, so the poor means people who are poor, okay. And the next word is he is man of words. Okay, he is man of words is the wrong sentence, and its correct sentence would be he is a man of word. That means he fulfill his promises, he never um, remain, he do not make his promise unfulfilled, he definitely fulfill his promise. Okay, I hope you understand video. If you understand the video, then do like it, and if you find this channel useful, then do subscribe it. I will be uploading videos of this kind only, so it will be useful for your placement exams as well as competitive exam. Thank you friends for watching right till then. Take care, be healthy, be happy.